So let's start with the introduction of Java in this series. So we are going to Java basic here and other things. So Java is high level object oriented class based programming language that is designed to run on any platform without any need for the recompilation. So Java is object oriented programming language. Everything is Java is considered as an object and it is a class-based programming. That means any logic or any function method we are writing within the class, and once it is compiled into the bytecode, so that can be done on any platforms. That does not require recompilation. So it was developed in 1990s by James Gosling. One of the main features Java is it write once and run anywhere. Once your program is converted into the bytecode, that you can run on any platform anywhere. So that is known as WORA philosophy. This means that Java code can be compiled into bytecode and can run on any platform. So initially when you write your Java program and once it is converted into a bytecode, then that can be run on any platform that has a Java virtual machine. Also, this is only our requirement that we have JVM on our system. This makes Java programming highly portable and reduce the need for the developer to create the separate version for their code on each platform. So Java is widely used for the developing web, desktop and the mobile application. Initially, it was for the desktop kind of the application. Then in all the Java application installed on the Android are based on the Java only, and it is also used in the web, like designing a website, like IRTRCT, the Indian Railway site. It design Java only. It has a rich standard library which include the vast array of classes and methods that developer can use build their application and more quick and easily. Since most of the packages are publicly available, so you can use them directly in your project. So no need to start from the scratch. Java is also popular for the security feature. So main thing is required for any programming is the security. So Java this provides security, which include a built-in security manager that can restrict the action that a Java program can take. Additionally, Java run inside the sandbox, which isolate them from the rest of the system, okay, and help prevent malicious code from running on a user computer. So let's start with the feature of Java object-oriented, or the you can say the object-oriented programming language. The first feature, Java is very popular object-oriented programming language. Some of the key feature of Java in the first is object-oriented feature is encapsulation. Okay, so encapsulation, Java support encapsulation, which means data and method are hidden within a class. Data and method are hidden within a class and can only be accessed that class public interface. This helps to protect the data from unauthorized access or modification. Then inheritance. Java support inheritance, which allow a subclass to inherit property and behavior of the superclass. This helps to create a hierarchy of the class with similar characteristic and save code duplication. Consider this is my parent class, okay, and this is one child class, Java child class. So in this method, we can add, subtract two number or three number, and in this child class, we can do multiplication and our division. So once this child class inherit the property of the parent class, so child class can do multiplication division. Apart from this, child class will also able to do addition and subtraction. Okay. So whatever property it has, it inherit the parent property also. or method it has so that it ignore or it avoid the code duplication thing. Then coming to the next one is the polymorphism. Java support polymorphism, which means object can take one or many form. This is achieved through the method overloading and method overriding. Polymorphism help to create the flexible and the reusable code. Then coming to the abstraction point, Java support abstraction, which hiding the implementation detail and showing only the necessary feature to use. This help to simplify the code and make it more maintainable. So whatever consider you have written a website which fetch data from a government site and display whatever detail have like email ID, phone number, and other detail, and it is fetching data from any government website. Okay, so it will display whatever is required, like your name, date of birth, email ID, what is behind code, like how it is implemented, how what is the API key. It will not going to display. This is example of the abstract. Then class and object. Java is a class-based language. Everything is the object. A class is a blueprint or a template for the creating object, which are instance of the class. Okay, so if you have created any class like then class, there is a class A. If you want to access the whatever the method you have declared, then you have to create object for this class. Then coming to the interface section, Java support interface which define a set of method that a class must implement. Interface can help to create a contract between class and outside world, allowing to interchangeability of object. Then it is a package, Java support package, which are a way of organizing a relatable class and interface. So package, you can say set of uh, it is like a set of the related class, then data usage, then reusability. Okay, then uh, what are the feature of the of Java? Object oriented Java, so platform independent, first portable, architecture neutral, dynamic, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, and distributed. Let us start. So Java is simple. So according to the Sun, Java language is simple because the syntax of Java is a similar to C++. So if you have prerequisite knowledge of the C++, then it will be more for you to understand Java. Also, it has removed any confusing and rarely used in C++, you have seen the concept of the explicit pointer operator overloading. So this is not support Java. No need to remove unreferenced object because it is a automatic garbage collection. Consider you have a class, didn't check. Okay. Then after 2 0 or 3 days, or you are not using consider this object, and this has some memory allocated. Have to uh, pre-allocate or you have to dereference thing which are we are doing in C++. Will directly remove the unreferenced object which is not getting used. Then it has some feature like the syntax edit, and it is same memory management, automatic memory or garbage. Then coming to the object-oriented programming is a methodology that simplify the software development maintenance by providing some rule like object, class, inheritance, polymorph, absolutely. Platform independent, platform independent with my some. Okay, then platform independent. There are the two type of the software. First one the platform independent and second see here like a software environment. A platform is hardware, software environment, program run. The two type of the platform. First one is software based and hardware. So the Java you have to write to and you can run anytime where which has the JVM Java. It is a secure or does not use express constant and Java run inside the virtual. Then it is a robust, simply strong memory management architecture. There is no station dependent or like a size of the primitive type. Then it is a portable, carry the Java bytecode. If you have the bytecode, then we can run this on any platform. Only prerequisite is a Java version. Then it is distributed. We can create distributed application in Java like RMI and are used the distributed application. We may access file by calling methods from one from any internet. Okay, then there is the concept of the multi-threaded. A thread is like a separate program executed concurrently, right? Java program that the many tasks at by defining multiple threads. The main advantage of multi-threading that it does not occupy memory for each thread. Then coming to the what are the difference here between C++ and Java. So this is the whatever the point we are comparing. Developer, translator, the then first it is a C, the procedural language plus object oriented. Java is why it is called as the pure object. Why C as the object oriented? This origin based on the assembly language, based on plus and C. Translator, compiler, interpreted language, platform dependent. C++ is platform dependent, where Java is platform independent. This is also one feature Java code execution uh, directly can C++, but in Java it is completed by JVM approach, top, down, bottom. Then it is bottom up. C++ and Java is a follow bottom up approach where C is followed top down approach. File generation is .exe, there is .exe in C++, but in Java use file. Preprocessor directly like fine include fine header plus. Okay, but in a Java we or use packages. It has like some reserve key like has 32 plus at 63 reserve and Java has 59 keyword. They all like data type like union and structure are supported in C++ and coming to Java it is not. Interface concept is not supported. Inheritance concept is not supported. C++ support it and Java support accept multiple inheritance. Overloading is not possible in and support function overloading with handled by the polymorph and operator overloading is not Java. Pointer is supported in both C++, but for the security purpose, they have removed allocation. You alloc and calloc. You like if you have to assign some memory, but in Java it FC automatic garbage collection. It is possible in Java garbage collector. Exceptional handling is not supported in, but it is supported in Java. Template, if coming to it is not supported, only it is supported. C++ in Java it is also not. Destructor, not constructor, neither destructor. There is no concept or destructor. Destructor in Java, C++ support concept, and destructor is not supported in Java. Multi-threading or interface is not supported in and C++ and which is supported in Java. Database connectivity not supported C and C++ and it is supported in Java. Storage extern supported auto extern and storage classes in Java. Next detail we next we detail then.